Hey there, real quick. Has your iPhone been yelling at you that it's been out of space for months now? Maybe it's just feeling slower than it should, or you don't have time to sift through all 10,000 of your photos. Well, let me introduce you to Clever Cleaner, a 100% free iPhone cleaner app that keeps your device smooth, fast, and clutter-free. And when I say free, I mean it. No ads, no in-app purchases, $0. And if you download the app right now while it's free forever. All features and updates will be yours in the future, forever, at no charge. Now in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can use it to free up space on your iPhone, and you can get started by downloading the app from the link in the description. So does that sound good? All right, let's do it. Now with our Clever Cleaner app installed, it's best to start with a full scan of our phone just to get a full and complete picture of everything that's on it. However, when you do this for the first time, you will need to grant the app full access to your photo gallery. Now if this sounds concerning at all to you, don't worry. Apple has extremely stringent security standards and only approves apps that meet these standards, so we're totally safe here. Your data stays on your device and nothing is ever kept or shared anywhere when you grant full access. Now once you've started a complete scan of your phone, keep the app open and wait until it finishes completely. So while this process really only takes between 2 and 10 minutes on average, if you switch to another app or you close Clever Cleaner altogether, it may stop the scan. And that's it. My scan completed in just under 3 minutes. Alright, now with all of our iPhone's files accounted for, let me show you why Clever Cleaner is the best free iPhone cleaner app for clearing junk files from your iPhone. So first, let's talk about photos. More specifically, duplicates or even the 10 photo burst of your dog that you only need one of. We all have those. And luckily with Clever Cleaner's advanced AI, we can delete duplicate photos in seconds. So actual duplicates are easy. Ever since iOS 16, you can actually delete these easily as your iPhone detects them automatically. But where it gets tricky is when photos are merely similar, but not perfect duplicates. And that's where Clever Cleaner comes in. Being an AI cleaner for iPhone, Clever Cleaner actually detects similar looking photos so that you don't have to manually sort through your entire gallery. After that, you can either eliminate them with one tap, or you can sort through each one and pick the best photo yourself. Now, I don't know about you, but this saves me so much time. I mean, when's the last time you legitimately had the time to consolidate your camera roll? And so not only will this help to free up your space, but it also helps to free up your time, which I think is something we could all use a little more of. But now what about videos? Specifically the big bulky ones, some of which can honestly take up much more memory than they're worth. Well, we call these files heavies, and the Clever Cleaner app for iPhone has a really smooth way of organizing all of your heaviest files in seconds. It does it automatically, and you can review them right from the app and decide which videos you no longer need to keep around, which can literally save you entire gigabytes at a time and free up space instantly. Now, speaking of videos, here's a really cool feature. Clever Cleaner is an iPhone cleaning app capable of compressing live photos, which can help you save even more space. You see, live photos are basically mini video clips that take up much more space than normal photos. So if you take a lot of live photos, your iPhone storage will fill up much quicker than normal. Clever Cleaner solves this by trimming the unnecessary video portion while keeping the primary photo intact. Now, of course, you always have the ability to choose which photos to keep live and which to downsize. You are always in control here. And finally, Clever Cleaner for iOS is also capable of detecting and deleting unused screenshots, which will only further declutter all the pictures on your phone that are actually worth keeping around for the long term. And so when you combine it all together, Clever Cleaner is truly the perfect companion for the iPhone. It comes from the trusted US-based team behind DiskDrill, the world-leading data recovery tool, which means that you're getting an iPhone data cleaning app backed by years of expertise in data management and protection. And the best part, besides all the features I just mentioned, is right now, it's free. Most other cleaner apps will put their best features behind a fee or some kind of subscription paywall. But with Clever Cleaner, we're giving you our best upfront for free. Download it now from the link in the description, and you will get lifetime access to an app that consistently optimizes your iPhone storage without seeing a single ad or being charged a single penny. And also, I want to hear from you. Let me know down below in the comments section what you think of the app and what other features you'd like to see us add in a future update. And also, don't forget to leave a review for our app in the App Store as well. That is truly the best way that you can help our team continue to make Clever Cleaner the best that it can be. So what are you waiting for? Hit that install button while the Clever Cleaner iPhone cleaner app is free, and give your iPhone the optimization and storage cleanup it deserves.